Bear Fairy version A 30 by 42 cm rounds by Sybile art. Version 1 special treatment starts with electric diamonds that we mainly use to fill the star on the bear's ear. We also place some of them on the yellow areas of the background, particularly in the yellow spot, so simply sprinkle the areas that you'd like to highlight. We also place more electric diamonds on the barrette on the little girl. Bear Fairy version A 30 by 42 cm rounds by Sybile art. We now add sprinkles of alexandrite that we place on the bear just to give the bear some glitter. So sprinkle it in the areas of your choosing on the blue bear. Bear Fairy by Sybile art version A 30 by 42 cm rounds. Version 3 now adds strawberry fire for the heart on the bear. So simply fill that heart with strawberry fire and you will get this same look.